Welcome to another video demonstrating some of the technologies we're building at Toronet. It's been a while since I made one of these videos and there's been a lot of development since. One of those includes automatic oracles to set exchange rates. So those are in here, and there's also a lot of work that has been done in terms of making the reserve management more transparent. We want to be one of the most transparent blockchains when it comes to how the external reserves are managed. But today, one of the things that the focus today will be on standards and showing how we are utilizing standards as well as trying to establish the standards in the blockchain industry to ensure the compatibility with some of the existing tools. And one of those is external wallets. So I had a video previously where we showed the native wallet, but it also turns out that because Toronet utilizes a lot of standards, we are also able to have some of the established wallets like Metamask be able to be used with the Toro network. The Metamask is a very popular wallet. It's a browser-based wallet. It was developed for Ethereum, but it's also used for a lot of other chains, including Binance. I don't have Binance here. It's used for Avax, so many other blockchains. And it turns out that because we also adhere to some of those industry standards, we can use this for the Toronet blockchain as well. So we're going to load some of the tokens on Toronet or Metamask, and then we'll be able to send and receive tokens on it. So here, as you can see, the Ethereum mainnet is the first network supported by Metamask, but you also have the Ethereum test network. There are several Ethereum test networks, including Ropsten, Kovan, and Rinkubi. All right, so how do we use this with Toros? The way to do that is we are going to add Toronet tokens to Metamask and use Metamask as a wallet. Okay, I have we have a short article written about this here. One of the main developers that finished this process is Dr. Lee, and he wrote this small short instruction. The first thing, of course, is to install Metamask, which is really trivial. I already installed that. And then the second thing is to add the Toronet testnet. So I'm just going to copy this because we're going to copy that in there. It's really, really simple. So let's go ahead and do that. So I would open Metamask. Just shut it down just now. Let's bring it up quickly. All right, so custom RPC. We complete it. We call this Toronet test network. This is what the article says. You can check it later. We'll put that in there. The chain ID for the text network is 54321, which is just really simple. Then just say Toro E for the none. We do not use gas on the Toro network because it doesn't utilize a lot of electricity. It's very friendly to the environment, so of course it doesn't have gas. And so here we would have, if it was an Ethereum network, that would be the position for gas. All right, then we'll also put in the Explorer. I know that I don't need to go check that because I remember it. So we're just going to put that in there and we'll save it. And we have Toronet test network. Okay. So we can close this and we switch to Toronet. So there is nothing in here at this time. And so the first thing we'll do is we'll add a token. Okay, So to do that, let's open that instruction again. And to add a token, we copy the token address, which is the Toros actually. Okay, paste that in here. I lost that again. Okay, our token, it's going to automatically, because we're following standards, as soon as I put the contract address, since it's already connected to the Toronet blockchain, it's going to automatically find the rest of the information. So this is the native Toro. Okay, I did not have to fill that in. All right, so here is this account, which currently has 0 tokens in it. So what would be the first thing I will do? I will send tokens, I will send some Toros to this address. It's already in. So we will send some Toros here. Oh, I did not add that. Let me do that again. Click next and then I click add token. Sorry, so now it is added. Alright, so it does have some balance because I had tried this before. So the first thing I would do is I would send some Toros to that address. So let me copy the contract address. Alright, first let's log into my wallet. Okay. Alright, my account that has some Toros in it, test Toros. I will copy my address and open my wallet and send some test Toros to that Metamask address. Okay. Alright, so this is my account. I have a balance of 3,204 Toros, so I have enough to send to that address. So I would go to the wallet part for Toros and I would click on send. Okay, and now I need to find out that Metamask address. So I'll open Metamask again and copy the address. Okay, and paste that here, and I'll just send that 30 Toros in there. Our blockchain is really fast, right? Unlike with Ethereum, where it's going to take several seconds or even minutes, or Bitcoin that would take like 10 minutes. As soon as I press send, it's going to be less than 2 seconds, and the funds are going to get to Metamask. So I'm going to press send and quickly try and open Metamask so you can see. All right, we do have transaction fees, so that's fine. I'll be charged, and I have to put my password. I hope I remember that. It's been a while since I logged into this account. Let's see if that works. Alright, so it works. Send 30 Toros there. Let's quickly open Metamask and see when that account is going to receive the funds. It's probably going to be faster than Metamask opening. So we do have 30 Toros in our address. So that's good. So as you can see, this wallet was not built by the Toronet network. This wallet is a very popular, frequently used wallet in the blockchain industry for Ethereum, and we can use it for the basic send and basic transactions. Now, because Toronet tokens do a lot more, some of the functions and features of the tokens, including some of the lending features and so on, are not going to be supported by Metamask because Metamask did not implement those, right? But it shows that by virtue of adhering to the ERC20 standards, our tokens are able to be used already by applications in the industry, right? And we do have APIs as well that have been published so that the MetaMask developers, and we will be glad to invite them, can add some of those features that our tokens can do, so that this wallet will support it fully, and any other third-party developers organizations can build wallets to support some of the tokens we have. So first thing, let me send some of this back to my address so you can see that. Okay, I'll just send that back. Send back 10 Toros. Okay. As I said, we do not use gas because this network does not support any of the wastage that is involved with proof of work blockchains. Okay, so we'll send that back. All right, so you should see it come in here. Actually, this doesn't self-refresh, so let me just refresh this. This is a really fast blockchain, so this is going to come in already. And here we go. All right, so I did give 30 Toros and I received back 10 from this address. And when we go back to the blockchain explorer, we will see all of those transactions there. So we do see that an alert comes in. That's the alert sounding of the Metamask informing me that my transaction has been confirmed on a network. So you'll see it in Metamask here. Really nice to see that completely third-party application. See there is displaying and is being able to be used with application. So you see, we had 30, we gave back 10 and paid a fee of 0.01. So the network continues to grow with those fees. All right, let's close MetaMask and see and take a look at the blockchain. So we see all of those things there, 30 here and 10 here. If we want to see the details, we can view in detail here the transactions, or we could just drill down to Toro transactions. Yeah, so that's it there, 30 and 10. All right, and if we look at the details of my account, this more private information is going to show there, including the fees. I did not click that. All right, so we will load transactions for this address. Okay, so we see that 30 Toros received from that address. Let me scroll a little bit further down so we can see everything. And there's the fees showing there, the detail. And then 10 Toros was received back. All right. So as I mentioned, the APIs are available for any other developer to create transactions, to link and integrate with the Toro network. So what we're trying to do here is to have a platform that is going to grow with many developers, many nodes, many applications, but applications that are useful and voted on by the communities to be included in the network. So finally, if we take a look at the instructions, so we've completed the instructions, but we will also be adding some of the other tokens. We'll be adding some of the other tokens that are supported on Toronet network, including the stable coins and also custom tokens like SPs, that the first custom token on the Toronet network. And also, one other thing is we will submit and add API features for MetaMask so that you won't even need to follow all of those processes. You will just be able to go down here instead of going and adding that, and just say add Toro network if you have MetaMask installed. And this needs a few things to be turned on. So right now this isn't set yet, so you have to follow the instructions for now. And again, the instructions are here. It's on our Medium page, the Toronet Medium, medium.com/Toronet. You will be able to see all the articles that we have, and this is one of the latest articles. Let's see, there's several articles and published articles, about 10 right now, but most of these new articles are under here using MetaMask as well as for Toronet tokens. That completes this short video. Thank you for watching, and look forward to other videos soon. I'll try and make this more regular so that as the development team churns out improvements, we get them out and describe them so people start to use them, especially as we are about to turn on the mainnet soon. Thanks again. Finally, one important thing about the ability to use MetaMask is this actually provides a non-custodial wallet, because the addresses in the account here, the keys here, are keys that are maintained privately on this user's computer, and this account is created on this computer, and of course details of the transactions to show up here. As usual, there is no gas, um, and just the transaction fees within the network. So yes, the important thing is it is non-custodial. It is in a separate third-party wallet, and you can of course install MetaMask, and please test it out. The more tests we have before they go live and feedback, the better.